Our website is looking great. You can see we have something like this. Here we have the entries. And in this video, we're gonna start working with this section called categories. So let's start working, and I'm gonna open my editor again, and I'm gonna open the front page. Here, right after this closing section, I'm gonna create another one, section with the class blog or categories, something like that. Then we're gonna add a container. So this is a Bootstrap class. Close this section. Then we're gonna add an h2 class, and we're gonna add the text categories. So we can add here text center, and you can save this and reload, and we have categories. So let's see how you can print the categories. And I'm gonna open again my editor, and here I'm gonna add a PHP block, PHP, and I'm gonna add a variable called categories, and I'm gonna assign the value that comes from the getCategories function. And I'm gonna add a pre, so you can see something, and I'm gonna add var dump to categories. So save this and reload, and you can see we have an array with different objects. And here you can see in the object, on the first one, you can see we have name, and it says activities. Also, you will see that we have the cat ID. So this is the ID for the category, and this one is unique. And well, we have something that we can print in our theme. So I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna remove this section, this code, and I'm gonna add a row. So we can add something like a PHP, and remember this is an array, so you can use a for each categories as category, and you can add something like this, and you can add and for each. Is end for each, and here you can add a div with the class called xs6, called md6, and called lg3. Also, I'm gonna add category right here, so we can style this with CSS, and I'm gonna add an anchor. Here I'm gonna add here on the inside of the anchor, I'm gonna add a PHP block again, and I'm gonna echo the category, and this is an object, so you access the object using this notation, name. So I'm gonna save this and reload, and you can see we have activities, and I'm gonna make this a little to the top, activities, festivals, food, and tips. So let's add the make this actually a link. So you can see we have at the moment the pound sign. So I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna add another PHP block, and here I'm gonna add echo get category link is the name of the function, and here you have to pass the ID. Remember that you have the category, and you have an attribute called cat ID, and this will output the ID for each category. So you can save this and reload, and you can see activities. You can see in the left of the window we have the category activities link, festivals, food, and tips. So everything is working as expected. We are missing the icons. So in the next video, we're gonna add the font awesome library into this, so we can print these icons.